In the previous class, we are solving the chapters statics, under which we are seeing about the problem based on mean deviation, and this is we can find with the help of mean also, median also. We have seen some questions of mean deviation, about mean, about median. Now today we will see some other questions of this chapter. Let's see. Our next question is question number 10. Sorry, question number 9. Find the mean deviation about mean for the data in the exercise 9 and 10. We have to give in the data income per day. Income per day. This is we have to give in, and number of person. Number of person. What we have to give in 0 to 100. 100 to 200. 300 to 400. 4 to 5, 5 to 6. 500 to 600. And 600 to 700. 700 to 800. And frequency of this 4, 8, 9, 10, 7, 5, 4, 3. Okay. This is the information which we have to given that, and we have to find the mean deviation from the help of mean. So this is class interval, so we will find out first observation. So midpoint, this is our also xi. So it will be what? Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So it will be 50. Again 100 plus 200 upon 2, 150. Next will be 250, 350, 450, 550, 650 and 750. So this is our xi. Now you will find what? You will find di. Or di is what? Di is what? Xi minus, we will suppose that assume mean. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 numbers, so we will suppose that let our median assume mean is 350. Okay, so we take xi minus 350 by our h. H is our 100. The value of h is what? 100. So we write here 100, and this is our next column. Okay, because we have to given that this is our income per day, and this is number of observation, and the midpoint we have find out this. Now we will suppose that our assume mean A is what? 350. Okay, so assume mean is 350. So we write di is equal to xi minus 350 upon 100. Okay, now we will put the values of xi and we will find out the things. So where here xi is 50, 50 minus 350, so it will be minus 3. Next 150, 150 minus 350, minus 200, so minus 2. 200 minus 350, minus 100, so minus 1. 350 minus 350, it will be 0. And 450 minus 350, 100 by 1, so it will be 1. 550, so 200, so it will be 2. 650 minus 350, so it will be 300, so 3 and 4. So it will be our di. Now for finding the mean, what we will calculate? We will find out fi di. So next column is what? fi di. Okay, so fi is this is the fi frequency. Now we multiply this with, we get minus 12, minus 16, minus 9, this is 0, and this is 7, 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12 again. Okay, this is our FIDI. Now we will find the sum of this FIDI. 12 and 12, 24, and 10, 34 and 7, 41, minus 25 and minus 12, 37. So this is the 41 and this is 37. So it will be 4. Okay. So FIDI is what? Or FIDI is 4. Now we will find the next column. And first, now we will find our mean. Our mean x bar is equal to a plus summation fi di by summation fi. Okay, and into h. So our x bar will be what? A is our assumed mean. This is 350. Summation FIDI is 4. And now sum of this 3, 4, 7, 7 and 5, 12, 12 and 7, 19, 19 and 10, 29, 29 and 9, 38, 38 and 12, 50. So this is our 50. So we divided this with 50 and our class interval h is what? 100. It will be cancelled within 2 times. So x bar will be what? 358. Okay. Now we will find the next column. Next column is xi minus x bar. Okay. So xi minus x bar, which is 358. So xi is 50. 50 minus 350. So it will be 308. Now 150 minus 308. 150 minus 308. 8, 0, 8, 0 and 2. So it will be 208. Okay. So this will be comes in the under modulus bracket. Okay. So under modulus we will take, so it will be always positive. So 250 minus again 350. So it will be 108. And this is 358, so it will be 8 and 450. 450 when we will minus uh, this minus this, so it will be 100 minus 92, I think, and 550, so it will be what, 192. Now again 650, 292, 750, 392. Okay, now our last column is what? For finding out mean deviation, we will find fi xi minus x bar. So now we will multiply this modulus of xi minus x bar with the frequency. So you get what? 8 4s are 32 and 4 3s are 12. Again multiply with 8. 8 8 is 64, 8 2 is 16, 9 8 is 72, 9 1 is 9, 10 8 is 80, 7 2 is 14, 7 9 is 63 and 64, 5 2 is 10, 5 9 is 45, 46, 5 1 is 5, 4 9, 4 2 is 8, 4 9 is 36, 4 2 is 8 and 3 11, 3 2 is 6, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, 2 11. So this is our required table. Okay. Now we will add these all fi xi minus x bar, and we get what? After adding we get summation. This is our summation fi modulus xi minus x bar. This will be what? 8 6 14, 14 and 4, 18 18 and 2 20, 26, 7 to 9, 9 6 15, 15 and 6 21, 25, 33, 33 and 7 40, 49, 4, 5 6, 6 and 9, 6 and 9, 15, 15 and 6 21, 30, 38, 3, 3 to 5 to 7. So the sum is what? 7 8 9 6. So this is our summation fi modulus xi minus x bar. Now we have to find out what? Our mean deviation with the help of mean. So it is summation I is equal to 1 to n fi modulus xi minus x bar and divided by summation fi. So this is our summation fi xi minus x bar is what? Sum of this we get 7 8 9 6 and divided by summation fi. Summation fi is 50. Now divide this with 50, we get our mean deviation from mean. So it will be what? 157.9. It will be our mean deviation from the help of mean. So nothing we have to done in this question, very easy question, just calculation is long. What we have to given the income per day, which is in the form of class interval, and the second thing is number of person, which is our frequency. Then first we find what? Midpoint of class interval, you know how to find. We will take the lower limit and upper limit and divided by 2. So we get 50, 150, 250, 350, 450, 550, 650, 750. and after that we have to find first mean. So for find out mean we are using here assume mean method, and we suppose that our assume mean A is 350, okay, and class size is H, which is equal to 10. So di is equal to xi minus 350 by 100. Now when we put the value of xi here, we get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will find fi di. Fi di. So fi is 4, di is minus 3, so multiplied by minus 12. This is minus 16. Similarly, we have get, and we added this 4, we get 4 we are getting. This is positive, this is negative, we have add this, and subtract this. Subtract this from this, we get 4. Now our assume, when we will find our assume mean. So our formula is A plus summation fi di by summation fi into h. A is 350 plus 4. So I put the value 4 by 50 to 100, and this is x bar, which is 358. So mean is what? 358. Now we know that we will make the column modulus xi minus x bar. So after subtracting we get 308, 208, 108, and so on. Now we multiply this term by frequency, we get this, and we have find the sum of this all. So now we know that formula of mean deviation about mean is what? Summation I from 1 to n fi modulus xi minus x bar divided by summation fi. We could put the value, we get the mean deviation from the help of mean. I hope you understand. Now we will see the next question. We will see the next question. Next question is question number 11. Find the mean deviation about median for the following data. Data is given marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Okay. Now this next thing we have to give an number of girls. Number of girls we have to give an 6, 8, 14, 16, 4, 2. We have to find what? We have to find from here the mean deviation from the given information with the help of median. So first of all we will find out what is median of this data, then we will find our mean deviation from the help of median. Okay, so finding out median, we will first calculate what? First we have write CF. So CF will be what? 6, 14, 28, 44, and 48. This is 50. Now we will find what? We will find our midpoint, which is xi. Okay. So take xi, it will be 0 plus 10 by 2, 5, 10 plus 20 by 2, it will be 15, and this will be 25, it will be 35, 45, and last 50. Okay. Now our first priority is to find out median. So calculate the sum of the frequency. It is what 2, 4, 6, 6 and 16, 22, and this is 36 and 44. This is 50. Okay. Now this is 50. So we will find what? So this is 50 here. So we will find out 50 by 2. So this is 25, and 25 comes in under this. Okay. So this and this is our median class. So we write median class. So median class will be what? 22, 30, and lower limit L is 20, and frequency F is what? 14, and CF will be what? We will consider the CF. Now CF will be CF will be 14. Okay. Now from the given information we will find out our median, because we are seeing that our sum of frequency is 50. So we take the half, and this is lies under this. So the median class is this. So a lower limit is 20. CF will be 14, and the frequency will be 14. Now we will find the median. Median of the given data will be what? Lower limit plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula of finding out median for the group data. Okay, and the class interval is given, so we put all the value, we get our median. So 20, n is 50 by 2, and CF is 14, again F is 14 into H. Now what we will find out? This is 20 plus 25 minus 14 is by 14, and our H is class size is 10. So write 10 here. 20 plus this is what? 24, 6 and 5, 11 by 14 into 10. Now we are what getting here? We are getting 110 by 14. So 20 plus 7.86. So median will be what? 27.8. Okay, now we will make the next column, xi minus median. Xi is 5. Now 5 minus 27.86. So 5 minus 27.86 means so it will be 22.86. Now next is 15 minus 27.86. We get what? 12.86. Next 25 minus 27.86. So we are getting 2.86. Now 35 minus 27.86. Now we get 7.14. Okay, next 45 minus 27.86. We get 17.14. Next 55 minus 27.86. We get 27 minus 27.14. So this is our median. Now we will next find what the multiplication of this Fi and modulus xi minus median. We get what with Fi? Fi is 6 multiplied by this. 6 6 are 26, 6 8 are 48, 48 and 3 51, 6 2 are 12 and 5 17, 6 2 are 12, 18, 8 6 are 48, 8 8 is 64 and 4 68, 8 2 is 16 and 6 16 and 6 22, 8 8 10. Now we will next 14 5 14 4. So the next term will be 40.04 and next 4 4 just 16, 4 1 just 4 1 5, 68 and last 58.54.2. Now we will add these up. We get summation of Fi modulus xi minus median will be what? After adding these, we get what? We get 517.16. 517.16. So this is our what? Summation of Fi modulus xi minus median. Now our median is this, and we have to find out mean deviation from the help of median. So we know the formula summation Fi modulus xi minus median by summation Fi. So summation Fi di is what we have to give him 517.16 and summation Fi is 50. Okay. Now what we will do? We will divide this and we get our result. So this will be what? 10. We are about 10.34. So the mean deviation of the given data is what? 10.34. We have to given that the information marks and number of girls chest. So we have to find out mean deviation from the help of median. So median, for finding out median, we will find first cumulative frequency and the mean point. Cumulative frequency will be 6, 8, 6, 14, 14, 20, 14 and 14, 28, 16 and this 44 and this 48 and again 50. Now midpoint will be what? 5, 50, 25, 35, 45, 55. Now we will find the modulus of xi minus median. So for find out this, first we will calculate the median. So the frequency of sum of frequency is 50. So when we will write 25, so median class, so 25 is lies here. So it will be what? The frequency, and this will be median class. So the lower limit is 20, frequency is 14, cumulative frequency is before this 44. Okay. Now we will put all the values in the formula of median, which is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. L is 20 plus 50 by 2 minus 14 by 14 into 100. Now 20 plus 25 minus 14 by 14 into 100 into 10. So 20 plus this will be what? 11 by 14 into 10. Now we will multiply this and divide this. We get our median 27.86. Now this is our median. Now we will subtract this median from each observation. 5 minus this, we get 22 minus 86. 50 minus 27.86, 12.86. 25 minus 27.86, 2.86. 35 minus 27.86. So we have obtained these, and now this result we will multiply with the frequency Fi. This is our frequency Fi. So multiply this all terms with this modulus xi minus x bar, we get this, and after summation, after sum of this, we get 517.16. Now we know the formula of mean deviation, which is summation Fi modulus xi minus md by summation Fi. Now we will put the value and get the result. This will be our mean deviation from the help of median. I hope you understand. Thank you.